You're adding coolant every week, and your temp gauge keeps climbing. I researched 5 radiator stop leak products and filtered the ones that actually seal without clogging your system. What I found about radiator stop leak compatibility will save you from a damaged heater core. Let's dive in. Starting off at number 5, we've got K-Seal Coolant Leak Repair in the 16-ounce size. And there's a reason this one kicks off the list. This is the heavy-duty option. Engineered for larger engines, diesel trucks, commercial rigs, even agricultural equipment. If you're running something bigger than a sedan, this is the bottle you reach for. The formula uses micro copper particles. They circulate through your cooling system and find the leak on their own. Radiator, head gasket, water pump seal, heater core, freeze plugs, and application is dead simple. Shake the bottle, pour it into your reservoir, run the engine. No draining, no flushing. Now here's what stands out. People are reporting this sealing head gasket leaks on high mileage engines. Repairs that would normally cost thousands at a dealer. One owner with a Ford F-150 EcoBoost was quoted over $3,000 for turbo fittings. Poured in K-Seal and the leak stopped cold. 1,000 miles later, coolant level hadn't moved. Another used it on a Land Rover with a confirmed head gasket issue. Took it to a second mechanic who couldn't find a leak anywhere. But here's something to watch for. At least one owner noticed reduced heater output after using it. That suggests the formula can partially restrict flow through the heater core. Not common, but worth knowing. Run your heater on full blast during the initial circulation to keep that core clear. This also won't help if exhaust gases are forcing into your coolant system. At that point, you need a wrench, not a bottle. K-Seal is independently verified to meet ASTM D3147. That's a real testing standard, not marketing fluff, compatible with all antifreeze types. For a heavy-duty sealant, it's a solid way to start this list. You'll find the link in the description. At number 4, we've got the Liqui Moly Radiator Stop. And if you know anything about automotive chemicals, that name carries serious weight. Liqui Moly is a German brand with a rock-solid reputation in the professional space. They don't make throwaway products. So when they put out a radiator sealant, there's a baseline of trust already built in. That matters in a category full of question marks. Here's what stands out. This stuff works fast on small leaks. Hairline cracks in plastic tanks. Pinhole leaks in radiator cores. Seam leaks where plastic meets metal. People report seals forming in as little as 5 minutes. One owner with a Volvo said the fix might outlast the car itself. That's real confidence. And here's a detail worth paying attention to. Multiple owners confirm their heater core still works fine after using it. That's a legitimate concern with stop leak products. Clogging the heater core is the nightmare scenario. Liqui Moly seems to avoid that problem consistently. Now, the honest catch. This is a small bottle. 150 milliliters treats about 8 liters of coolant. If your cooling system holds 3 gallons, one bottle probably won't cut it. Several owners needed 2 bottles to fully seal things up, so factor that into what you're actually spending. It's also not a miracle worker on bigger leaks. A couple of people found it did nothing for them. That likely means the damage was beyond what any sealant can handle. For pinhole and hairline stuff though, the track record is genuinely strong. Owners across BMWs, Mercedes, Volkswagens, and Volvos all report lasting results. If you're particular about what goes into your cooling system, this is a name you can trust. You'll find the link in the description. At number 3, we've got the K-Seal Coolant Leak Repair. This is probably the most recognized name in the stop leak space, and there's a reason for that. What sets it apart is the formula. K-Seal uses micro copper particles to seek out and seal leaks. No pellets, no liquid glass. That distinction matters. Other approaches can solidify where you don't want them. Your thermostat, your radiator passages. K-Seal's method is more targeted by design. Application could not be simpler. Shake the bottle, pour it in, and dry. No draining, no flushing beforehand. It works with all antifreeze types, so you don't need to worry about what's already in your system. And here's the interesting part. People have sealed blown head gaskets with this, and driven over 20,000 miles before needing to reapply. One owner kept an old SUV alive for 4+ years on just 2 bottles. A repair that would have cost thousands, handled for the price of a couple lunches. But watch out for this. Those copper particles can settle and clog your radiator cap or the small return hose on your overflow tank. Some users have had thermostat issues after application. The smart move is to use less than the full bottle. Dilute it with coolant first and pour it directly into the radiator when possible. A burping funnel to clear air from the system goes a long way too. Bottom line, for pinhole leaks, hairline cracks, and small gasket failures on older vehicles, this is hard to beat in the category. Just set your expectations right. It buys you time, sometimes months, sometimes years, but it is not a replacement for a proper repair on a newer. You'll find the link in the description.
These products are great, but there are hundreds of deals every day, and most of them are trash. That's why I pick the 5 best from each category every day and post them for free on Telegram. And you can choose only the categories that interest you with zero spam. Link in the description.
At number 2, we've got K&W Block Seal, and this one has a reputation that goes back decades. What separates this from most stop leak products is what it's actually designed to do. This isn't just for pinhole radiator leaks. K&W targets the serious stuff: head gaskets, cracked blocks, freeze plugs, cast iron, and aluminum. It claims a permanent molecular seal that excels ASTM D6107 standards. That's a real certification, not marketing fluff. Now, here's the thing you need to understand up front. This is not a quick fix. You can't just pour it in and drive to work. You have to drain your entire cooling system, flush it multiple times, and run this with plain water only, no antifreeze. Then you drive 500 miles to let it cure properly. People who follow that process report the leak stopping within the first 75 miles or so, but you keep driving to let the seal fully set. After that, you drain it, flush again, and refill with your normal coolant. It's a weekend project at minimum. And here's where it gets interesting. One owner sealed a head gasket on a Tacoma throwing misfire codes. Another ran 20,000 miles on a Tundra radiator fix with no return of the leak. Someone even sealed the original block on a 1944 Willys Jeep. That's the kind of range this formula covers, but there's a real issue worth flagging. Multiple buyers have received cans where the product had crystallized and solidified at the bottom, completely unusable. When you get a good can, the results speak for themselves. When you get a bad one, you're stuck waiting for a replacement. Check it as soon as it arrives. For someone willing to put in the prep work and follow directions carefully, this is one of the more capable sealers out there for serious leaks. You'll find the link in the description. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. Taking the top spot, and this one earned it, the Bars Leaks Radiator Stop Leak 6-pack. What puts this at number 1 is the formula. Bars Leaks uses liquid aluminum technology, not just loose particles floating around hoping to jam into a crack. It's engineered to bond with the leak point across metal, plastic, and aluminum surfaces. That distinction matters more than most people realize. Compatibility is as broad as it gets. Green, orange, pink, red, blue, purple, coolant, traditional, or extended life. OAT, HOT, silicate-based, it plays nice with all of them. You don't have to second guess what's already in your cooling system before pouring it in. Now, here's where it gets interesting. One owner sealed a heater core leak with this back in the year 2000. Over 20 years later, during a full cooling system overhaul, they found evidence that the original seal had held that entire time. That's not a temporary band-aid. That's long-term durability you can actually verify. But there's something you need to respect with this product. Dosage. More is not better. Someone dumped 5 bottles in over 3 weeks and made the leak worse. Another person reported clogging that spiked engine temps to 260. The owners who get consistent results start small. Half a bottle or even just 3 ounces. Let it circulate for a while. Add more, only if the leak persists after a few days of driving. You get 6 bottles in this pack. That's smart if you maintain older vehicles or want a spare tucked in the truck for emergencies. Several long-term owners do exactly that. It covers radiators, heater cores, gaskets, and freeze plugs. No draining required. For hairline and moderate leaks, this is the most proven formula on the list. Just don't expect miracles on a blown head gasket or a crack you can see daylight through. Know its limits, respect the dosage, and it delivers. You'll find the link in the description. Now you know which stop leaks actually seal and which ones risk clogging your heater core. Prices and pack deals on these shift without much notice, so if one fits your situation, links are in the description.